Today I'm going to teach you a shoulder car movement. And this is a controlled articular rotation, a movement that I taught in a class last night with a bunch of people that were ready to learn. This is a movement that I like to warm up with, and I have 2 therapy balls, one in each hand, creating tension into the grip. I'm sitting in a chair, resting one arm down by the side or in my lap. Other arm, create tension into the therapy balls and breathe. Attempt to move nothing else other than at the shoulder. So I'll start by lifting the arm up overhead, and you can cross it over in front of you if you have the space. Go as high as you can without arching through the spine. And then bring the arm out wide as you start to flip the palm down towards the ceiling and reach the arm back behind you. And I'll show you from the side as well. Creating tension, lifting up, not moving through the spine, reaching the arm out wide, flipping the palm, reaching the arm back behind, and reach it as high as you can go. That's your active range of motion through extension, the back muscles of the shoulder and the back. And then bring the arm down by the side towards the hip. Maintain energy through the arm to utilize as much neighboring muscle as you can. And then lift the arm up and back. Woof. Flip the palm towards the ceiling as you rotate into the shoulder. Wide you go, and lift up. And forward. Okay, and then of course do the other side. This can be done seated, of course. This could be done standing up. I'm actually going to show you standing with something in front of the chest as feedback. If your spine feels like it's moving a lot, so I'm going to use my door here. Going to get real friendly. Hold the therapy balls. Press the front of the chest into the doorway or the door frame. And this is feedback so that the spine doesn't move. You can also press your nose into the front of it too to make sure the head doesn't move. And inhale, lift the arm up. Exhale when you're ready. Sweep the arm wide. Flip the palm down and back as you rotate through the arm all the way up into the shoulder. And bring the arm back behind like you're passing a baton to somebody behind you. Or reaching into the back of the car. The back seat of the car. And then arm comes down by the hip. And the reason that we're doing such a controlled movement here is to get as much information about this particular shoulder through its full range of motion and start to attempt to train some muscles there so that you can then express movement through dance or yoga or whatever you do. Now there's one more version here and it's on the floor. It's a bit more challenging. You could do it on the belly, or I'm going to do it on a bolster, still using my therapy ball. And the chest goes down into the bolster. You can rest the head down to the floor, or a block, or the arm. Nice and cozy. And we'll start with the arm out in front along the ear. And this is going to work some serious muscles across the back of the shoulder, trying to lift it off the floor. It's possible that you don't even lift the arm off the floor and it just stays there, but still attempt to lift it, even if it doesn't lift. If your arm needs to come out wider, do that. Give yourself more space. And then see if you can draw the arm out wide, flipping the palm as you rotate through all the way up into the shoulders. Arm comes up towards the ceiling now, firm into the therapy ball or whatever you're gripping, and then bring the arm down by the side. Lift up. Woo, this is much harder because gravity is playing a different role. Ooh. I'm trying not to move any other part of my body, and so I'm having to firm up muscles and utilize breath. And you'll get the information that you need to get from there. You could do this as many times as you'd like. If you try it, let me know how it goes.